I am extremely excited because I just started my very first fire here in my apartment in Alexandria. And how many apartments these days actually have a working fireplace? Like, actually, that flame might be a little bit too big. Do you think I overfired it? I hope not. I did make sure that the chimney was cleaned beforehand. That's very important. And I did a burn test with a piece of paper. But it looks great. I grew up with wood fires my whole life in a wood stove, but I'm not super familiar with the operation of a fireplace. And yeah, hopefully it's not too big, but it's the atmosphere. You can't beat it.